Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. And just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. So now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.42 trillion. We're up 3.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, nothing to get excited about right now. We are seeing some altcoins in deep green, like Dogecoin, but other than that, nothing to get excited about right now. We still need to monitor Bitcoin's price for us to get excited. We need a Bitcoin to hit specific price targets, which we will get into briefly later on in this video. But today I want to focus more towards XRP as I have some updates regarding the SEC lawsuit. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so my XRP family, if we are looking at the XRP's price right now, we are currently trading at 65.3 cents. We are up 1.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down 2.4% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $30.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $3.5 billion. Zoom in out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, let's not forget in just the last year alone, we're still up 255%. So let's not tend to forget that when we are looking at the XRP's prices. Despite the fact that we are seeing significant price drops around the markets, we're still up 255% in just the last 1 year alone. So let's keep that in mind when we are looking at XRP's price. But let's get right into this update that I want to share with you guys, and then we will get into the price analysis for both XRP and Bitcoin. So let's jump into it. So James K. Fallon came out and posted this once again. He has come out and give us an update regarding this lawsuit, and it says, breaking: SEC files a motion to quash deposition of William H. Hinman, ex-SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance. If you guys have not looked at this Dropbox document, I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to read more about it. But if you guys want to know what exactly happened, this guy has explained it very, very nicely. So, we have to give him credit. This is what he has to say. So Hinman was a part of the decision to give Bitcoin and Ethereum a free pass. Keep in mind, Hinman was an ex-director for SEC, and SEC has a lawsuit against XRP going on right now. So keep this in mind, that he was a part of this decision to give Bitcoin and Ethereum a free pass, while Jay Clayton and himself left the SEC after throwing, hand on the other way around. I don't want to say that part over here. Basically, they benefited financially from their actions and bringing this lawsuit against Ripple. So this is basically, in my opinion, in short words, pure corruption going on around right now within this lawsuit. So basically, they gave Bitcoin and Ethereum, again, these are same crypto assets. They gave them, pass. It's totally fine. So as soon as they left, guess what they do? They bring out this lawsuit against Ripple specifically. So one thing I can say is this is pure, what's it called? That corruption going on right now, and I believe another favor for the Ripple, it's more on the favor of Ripple rather than the SEC once again. And this is starting to get exciting, but it is starting to, like I have mentioned in my previous video, it is starting to get a little out of hand, and they're just trying to push it. They're just trying to keep pushing it as further as they can, because they do not seem to drop it, even though Ripple is getting more of the favor out of this lawsuit, whatever most of the news that is coming out is in the favor of Ripple rather than the SEC, but still they cannot seem to come up with an agreement, and they keep on postponing this entire thing. So that is a negative thing in my personal opinion. But so far, we do need to look at this as a positive thing, that we are starting to see more and more positive news coming in favor of Ripple rather than the SEC. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this and where you guys could see XRP and SEC lawsuit going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at XRP's price right now, though, guys, you guys can see, you know what, let's go on the daily chart so we can get a better picture. I'm just going to keep this video very, very brief for you guys. I wanted to share this update with you guys. But if we are looking at the XRP's price, if you did manage to scoop up some XRP around here, let's say you had some buy orders placed in at 51 cents. As of recording this video, guys, you are up 25% in just the last 2 days. So that is quite impressive if you were able to pick up some XRP around here at a cheaper price. But one thing I want to point out for you guys right now is that XRP did go above this 65.67 cents support level while it played as a resistance level when we try to go above it, but it has unable to stay above that level right now, and this support did not hold, and right now once again we are sitting right below it. And if you guys have been watching my channel and you guys know what I have been saying over the last few weeks, we do not want XRP below its levels of support, especially the strong levels of support. So this is one of the strong levels of support for XRP, and what I would personally like for XRP to do is get above this level of support as soon as possible and stay above it. But still, we are in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So far so good, but again, we need to keep Bitcoin price momentum in mind when we are looking at the XRP prices along with other altcoins. So let's briefly look at what Bitcoin is doing, and then we can come and make a conclusion as to what could possibly happen with the price of XRP in the immediate short term. So let's get right into it. So if we are looking at Bitcoin charts right now, guys, you guys can see Bitcoin is staying above this last live support for Bitcoin at this $33,300 mark. We are trading at $34,000 right now as of recording this video. We did go all the way up to $35,600 level, and Bitcoin was unable to break above this $36,200 mark that I have been saying is very, very important for Bitcoin, and it's basically a safer zone for the entire Bitcoin price and overall market. And right now we are not above this, so we need to get above this for us to be on the safer end of the spectrum right now for Bitcoin along with the cryptocurrency markets. Right now we are seeing Bitcoin going towards the downside. Let's hope we do not break below this last live support for Bitcoin, because you guys know, if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, this is a very important level of support. If we break above it, we do have a very high chance of going below 30K once again, and that's exactly what we saw happen over here, and we do not obviously want to see that happen. Obviously, one bullish indicator that I do want to point out is that below 30,000 was expected to be very high buying pressure for Bitcoin, and that's exactly what we saw. As you guys can see, I'm sorry, not this. This is not what we need, guys. This is not what we need. Oh, okay, there we go. As you guys can see, we saw both come in. We saw buying pressure kick in, and we saw the Bitcoin price go towards the upside. That's exactly what we wanted to see happen for the Bitcoin price. But right now, we're not sitting at the safer end of the spectrum right now for Bitcoin price, and that's why we are seeing XRP below this level of support. It did go all the way up to 69.3 cents, but it obviously had seen a retracement, as Bitcoin is also seeing a retracement right now. But we will see what happens in the next 12 to 24 hours. I will keep you guys updated if anything urgent does tend to happen. I know a lot of people are asking me to make a market update, which I will bring you guys tomorrow 100%. I just wanted to make this XRP update for you guys. And yes, guys, I have been reading your comments regarding other altcoins that you guys want to see, but leave your suggestions below that you guys want me to cover, and I will definitely bring you guys that content for you guys. But yeah, for XRP, guys, keeping in mind, I'm still gonna stick with what I have been saying. Obviously, the BTC dominance right now is at 47%, so that is also a major indicator that we us investors need to be paying very close attention to. Aside from the Bitcoin price alone, we need to be monitoring the Bitcoin dominance charts very, very closely if you are an altcoin holder, because at the end of the day, that basically pinpoints as to what is going to happen with the altcoin market. As low as Bitcoin dominance goes, that's what altcoin holders want, because that does tend to mean that more money is flowing into altcoins rather than Bitcoin. So right now we are seeing quite significant BTC dominance going towards the upside, but we need for it to go around 40% to see some sort of altcoin rally occur, in my personal opinion. In the meantime, we will obviously go towards the upside with Bitcoin, but not as fast as we have seen before. So like I mentioned, that is due to the fact that more money is flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins right now. But I do expect, as BTC dominance were to drop, and let's say possibly a Bitcoin were to get to this $46,200 mark, guys, this is basically where I turn bullish. This is my bullish zone. Obviously, my confirmation for me to get bullish is at this $38,000 mark that you guys know I have been saying for quite a while. But I get bullish at this $46,500 mark, and we have unable to do that since we have dropped down. So this is why it's very, very important. But one thing I want to point out to you guys is Bitcoin is looking like it's been in an accumulation zone now over the last 1 month, and that's exactly what we want to see happening for Bitcoin price after having an insane rally occur towards the upside. But if you guys have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, guys, patience will be your #1 key to follow. And if you do have money that you can afford to lose, and you had been looking at XRP's price when XRP was literally at $2, now might be the time for you to dollar cost average in rather than buying up around $2. But this is not financial advice. This is just a tip that I'm giving you guys. Rather than buying when prices were absolutely seeing parabolic moves after parabolic moves, rather than buying there, now might be the time to be scooping up rather than around those levels. There's a very famous saying, guys, if you guys have not heard it. I know a lot of new money is coming into the markets. There's a very, very famous saying in the equity markets along with cryptocurrencies that while others are fearful, you should be greedy. And I have personally used this strategy myself, and I have very much benefited out of this strategy in my personal opinion. So basically it means that while there's so much fear across the board, everyone is panicking, you should be the one being greedy then. And when everyone is being greedy, that's when you should be being fearful. Just wanted to point that out there for you guys. Dollar cost averaging is the best bet in my personal opinion for investing into cryptocurrencies, and along with equity markets or anything. You never want to buy at a specific price. You always want to dollar cost average in. That lowers your overall buying value, and it just is the best strategy that works for a majority of the people, in my personal opinion. And you always want to invest in projects that you believe in. You always want to do your own due diligence and research when investing in these markets. I cannot stress this enough, guys. And trust me, guys, trust me, I care about each and every one of you guys. I put you guys in my shoes, and I will never ever promote any shady coins or anything that I personally do not believe in. You guys would be surprised as to how many sponsorship content emails and from these big companies in the cryptocurrency industry that upcoming projects, I'm sorry, not big companies, but upcoming projects that do come and email me, hey, we will give you certain X amount of money for you to promote it. If this was entirely for money, guys, I would have been promoting all these coins. But no, I care about each and every one of you guys. I will bring you guys the best projects and, just share my personal opinions and keep it 100% realistic with you guys. You guys know me. I'm not an ultra moon boy. I'm not telling you guys the markets are just going to go up straight forever in one line. And if I do come and say markets will go towards the upside, we always do keep in mind, and I always remind you guys this, it all at the end of the day comes down to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin were to tank, then you guys know Bitcoin is a leading indicator. The entire market gets invalidated right off the bat, and this is what caused markets to tank over here, because you guys know we did see Bitcoin fall down, and obviously you guys know Bitcoin is a leading indicator of the entire market, and we never know when this could happen. So you have to be prepared for that, and you always want to be taking profits when you are seeing massive gains being made. But my short-term price prediction for XRP is to get above this level of support and gradually move towards the upside and possibly get back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But we will see what happens as time goes by. But let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think. and where you guys could be seeing XRP going in the immediate short term. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see XRP going at the end of this year, not at the end of this month or at the end of the next month. Let me know where you guys could see XRP going at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And guys, please stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first. Everything else absolutely comes later. Come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys are learning new things from my channel, and if these videos are benefiting you guys. Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, let me know if you guys want me to continue giving you guys these updates and teaching you guys and giving you guys some tips that I have learned myself over the last few years that I have been in the space. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This does help my channel a lot. It helps my videos get to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And thanks once again for taking your time out to watch my video. I really appreciate you. And once again, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.